Hello everyone. I just wanted to discuss about the sales script today. I am a great advocate of a written sales script which is refined and well thought out. So there should every salesperson whether he is going out for sales or he is an in-house salesperson should have a written sales script with him, which is well thought out, and he should be knowing that sales script thoroughly. Why I am saying this is, sales is nothing but conversations. Whoever controls the conversation will control the result as well. And who can control the conversation? A person with more questions can control any conversation. So if you want to ask more questions, you will have to have questions in hand, which you need to have a sales script. So whoever asks more questions, see, the questions should be framed in such a way that it fetches all the pain points of the customer, and it gives you the perfect idea that which product will be evoking the emotion of the customer to arrive at the purchase decision. So there will be three problems you will face if you don't have a written script. Number one is, there will be some unexpected objection and questions from the part of customer. Customer is full of doubts about you and about your product. So whenever you don't have a confident answer about a query, a particular query or objection made by the customer, end of it, because after that point customer will not make a purchase decision for sure. Number two is using more words to communicate. So whenever you use more words to communicate about a product, it shows that you are not confident about the product and you are not done your homework properly, which is a factor which reduces the consumer prospect's confidence, and he will procrastinate his purchase decision, which is not good for you. Number three is missing emotion. See, without a script or without a proper questions in hand, you will miss the emotion. That is, you will fail to evoke the emotion of a customer. I have said in my previous videos that purchase decisions are based on the emotion only. He will make the purchase decision upon the emotion, and he will back the purchase decision with logic. So to arrive at the purchase decision, you should ask proper question and you should evoke the emotion of a customer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, you can connect me through Facebook, LinkedIn and Insta. I have given the link. And if you are a salesperson who is struggling with the script, you can reach out to me. I can help you with the perfect script. Thanks a lot for watching this.